Hello viewers! Today I'm going to introduce new websites. This new website was recently featured on Forbes and is offering 6-digit payouts to people around the world, including India, Pakistan, Philippines, Indonesia, the United States, and Canada. You can accept payments through PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, and many other payment methods. This is a great opportunity for you as all you need is an internet connection and device wherever you are. For example, a laptop, computer, or smartphone. Before you start a video, we want to know who your audience is, so tell us about your country in the comment section. Let us now return to the video. The first thing you will need is a PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and create a completely free account by clicking this button. Simply fill out the required information and log into your own PayPal account. If you do not have that option, don't worry. This website offers a variety of payment methods. If you are serious about making this work, you should watch the video all the way to the end and pay attention to every detail. As you can see, this guy has made over $500,000. With this brand new platform, this person made more than $300,000. And this person also made more than $300,000, and so on. There is a lot of money to be made with this brand new website that we never mentioned before, and I have never seen anyone on YouTube talking about it. As you can see, this platform has been featured in a number of major media outlets, including Entrepreneur, Forbes, and others. It's a great company to work for, but the sign-up process can be extremely difficult and confusing. There is one single mistake that newcomers may make with this platform that, if not avoided, could result in them earning nothing. So, if you really want to set this up correctly so you can make money with this website, I strongly advise you to watch this video all the way through and pay attention to everything. StudyPool is the main platform that we will be using, and it is already available at studypool.com. This is a platform that, according to the SimilarWeb, is visited by nearly 2.1 million people on a monthly basis, the majority of whom are from high-income countries, such as the United States. As you can see, the United States accounts for 41% of the visitors, which is over 700,000 people. This is a website where regular people like you and me can learn new skills for a very low cost. They can learn about math, science, business, programming, humanities, writing, and other subjects. You have all of these subjects right here, so you can click on them and learn everything there is to learn on studypool.com. Don't worry, you won't have to study anything, and you won't have to pay anything, because there are other features of this website that we will be using to start making money. This will all be completely free for you. To begin earning money with studypool.com, click here to become a tutor. In order to begin making money with this website, you must first become a tutor. Don't worry, it won't be too difficult because I'll show you exactly how that works. They will pay you up to $7,500 per month while you work from home. As you can see here, you could be anywhere in the world if you have an internet connection and a laptop, computer, or even a smartphone. StudyPool is used by over 50,000 tutors from all over the world because it is accessible from anywhere. As you can see, this is a dependable source of income, which means you will not only be paid once but multiple times. That's exactly how all of these people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this platform, such as this guy who made over $500,000 for free using StudyPool. There is definitely a lot of money to be made here, and the reviews and feedback can be found at the bottom of the page. You can read what other people are saying about this website from all over the world. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's return to the video now. With studypool.com, you can teach others and earn a good living regardless of your experience or knowledge. What you need to do right now is to apply to become a tutor on studypool.com, which you can do by clicking on the Apply Now button. In this box, enter your email address, create a unique username, set a password, and then click Create Account. You can also sign up with Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn, which is much easier and faster because it only takes one click of a button and takes you straight to the tutor application page. This application takes about 30 minutes to complete and can be saved if you don't have time to finish it all at once. You can now receive your earnings via bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, Western Union, and other methods. The next thing you will need to do is click on the Start Application Now button. You will need to tell them more about yourself, such as where you're from, what your first and last names are, and so on. As you can see, we will begin with your first and last names. And then you'll enter your country, which as you can see accepts people from all over the world. All you have to do now is fill in some basic demographic information about yourself, save and move on. Once you have completed your application, it will take 1 to 3 business days for you to accept it and begin earning money. I believe that almost anyone can do this, but if you believe you are not qualified to teach others all of these different subjects, you should not do it. You can learn a lot of new things by using Google and YouTube, which you can then teach other people on studypool.com. It will pay off, believe me. Spend a few hours, if not days, learning about a new subject that you can then teach to others and earn thousands of dollars from. Personally, I enjoy going to Udemy to learn new things. This is a site where you can find a variety of courses and subjects. You can simply type whatever you want to learn into the search bar. Let's say you want to learn about business. So you will type the word business into this box. That will give you access to all these different courses that you can take for free. And some of them will even provide you with a certificate indicating that you have completed them. You will have a proof that you are knowledgeable about the subject. On studypool.com, people are making over $500,000 teaching various skills, and getting started with this will obviously cost you nothing. They will only take a 20% service fee, which means that if you make $1,000, they will deduct $200. Don't worry, they will provide you with the free customers and students, which will help you make money in the first place. As a result, it's definitely fair play, and you can see that you will have complete freedom and flexibility in terms of when and where you work. With this brand new website, you can get paid $100,000 in PayPal money.